This is the R Studio that you have already installed. Now, in this particular R Studio, you can see there are different windows you are looking here. So this is one window, this is another window, this is another window, and this is another window. So we'll talk about all these windows one by one. Now, you see the first window, which is in the uh, left up corner, is nothing but your script window. Okay, and that is called the script window here. Now this R Studio will have generally 4 windows. One is the right. So one is the this is the script window where we write the programs and we'll write the script and all. Next is the console window. This particular window is we can still write some codes here, whatever we want, or we can see the output of the script that we'll write here. Okay, or whatever it is giving us the output, we can see here. So the output we can see, as well as we can write the script here also. The same as that we have opened the our package. Now, here if you'll see, we have in the script, we can have the facility to write the script. We can give the name to that particular script. We can save it, and as well as we can run it. So here also we'll use the control enter to run that. Otherwise, you have this button to run that. Then the next one is the console one. If you'll come to the console one, in the console you have different tabs, as you can see. The one is the console tab, then we have terminal, and then we have job tab. Okay, so basically we use the console tab. Console is showing us the output. Whatever output we execute, that will be shown here, as well as it will give us, or we can write some script here, whatever we want. So let's say if I'm writing x equal to 10, then also it is going to execute, and we want the x value, then x is going to be printed. So here also we can write, the script. It is like we can write the line by line script, and then we can execute. And here in one line, whatever we write, we have to execute. So that is the 2 window we have. Then we have a window which is called the environment window. So in the environment, we have different tabs. As you can see, one is the environment tab, another is the history tab, and then we have the connection tab. So the first one is the environment tab. So in the environment tab, whatever variable that you have created, all the variable information, you can find it here. So it shows the variable that are generated during the course of programming in a workspace that is temporary. So all those temporary variable information, you can find it here. Now in the history tab, you will see all the command that you have used till now from the start of using the R Studio. So all those commands that you have used here or here, anywhere, you can find it here. So this is the history that is maintained here. Next is the connection. Connection will tell you the external external languages and the framework if we made any sort of connections, like any type of Spark, it is coming, we want to make it ODBC connections, or any type of other external language or external package or external database connection you want to have, the connection, it will show us here in the connection, right? Next, here we have is that particular tab, which is having different this particular window where we have different tabs. So the first one is the file tab. File tab shows the file and the directory that are available within the default workspace of R. So these are all the program or all the directory that is there in the default workspace. So we can create many workspaces, and where we are right now, we can see it here in the file. You want to see that where my work directory is, so you have to write the command get wd, get work directory. Okay, so that would get work directory will execute and will tell us that this is the directory where your data is going to store, or where your file is going to store. So that is from the file tab we can get. The next tab is the plots tab. This plot tab is right now, you can see it is empty right now. We can see the plots or the graphs here. Okay, different type of generating plots, graphs, whatever we generate in the program, we can see here. So that plot, let me write a script to plot one. So let's say I can take the value from 1 to 10, and I'll just plot the value of X here. I'll select both. So you can see I can get the plot here. Okay. So the plot, the value from 0 to 10, the value of X is going to be printed. This is whatever we plot here, it will shown here. Whatever plot here, it will show. Okay. So about that, how I have written all those things, we'll talk about later. I'll just want to show you that what that plot window is. And if you want to remove that particular plot, you just clear all plots. This is the button, clear all plot. Just make it clear. Yes, it will clear. Then another tab we have, which is called packages tab. In that, whatever packages you want to install, you just choose that particular package and install it. So let's say we have some packages which is called base. So this base packages, it is installed from the, whenever you install the R. If you want to install some more packages here, then you just choose that and just install that. Okay, so I've installed some of the packages which are related to my work that previously I have used. So that thing I have installed. In your package, you will find only this base one. Base was the clicked, means it has already been installed. So you'll find out the base packages that is there. Now, if I'll go for finding out whatever different packages we have, so I'll use the command called session info. This session info will give me whatever packages that we have. So attached base packages. So base packages has attached with that we have states, graphics, GR device, utils, dataset, method, base, right? So all those are there under that base package that we have. Then another tab is there which is called help tab. Help tab where we can write any type of help that we required the help to reading the data, putting the data into the file, all those things you can put it here. It will take you to the CRAN repository. Now, some of the for some of the packages like sum, if I'll click sum, it will give me this. That is already with the base package that has been installed. So it is a part of the base package, and sum of vector element. It will tell me that how we can use the sum with the different examples. See, this is the different example that is providing. If I do sum 1:5 means from 1 to 5, if I'll make it sum, then it will give me that particular value, which is 15. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6, plus 4, it is 10, plus 5, it is 15. So that's why it is giving the value 15. Okay. You can do many things like this also. It will give you the same result what this sum is giving. Right, it will also give you the 5 like this. If you want to do the sum, so 1 to 2 and 3 to 5, so I think it will give you the same results. So 1 to 2, it will be 3, then 3 plus 4 plus 5 in that way, and it will add at last. So yeah, with the help of help, you can learn many things, many functions that you want to know the functionality of it, you can do it. Then there is a viewer tab. This viewer tab, which can be used to see the local web content that is generated using R. So if any web applications you want to write it here, so that web content, you can see it here in the viewer tab. So this is all about different windows that we have into the R Studio. And yeah, so here we write all the programs that we have in the R Studio.